Skills cut my tokens. MCP cut my context. Subagents cut my time. Hooks cut my rework. Memory cut something else. Repetition. Every new session, the same corrections. We use pnpm, not npm. Vitest, not jest. 2 spaces, not 4. Snake case in SQL. Don't touch the legacy folder. You've said it 100 times. 5 CLAUDE.md tricks. 5 CLAUDE.md patterns I add to every project, ranked by how much repetition each one kills. The last one is the trick that finally makes those corrections stick. 1. Project CLAUDE.md, the one to start with. Without it, Claude opens with npm install. You correct it to pnpm, it picks express. You correct it to fastify, it writes the test next to the source, you correct it to _tests. 4 corrections, still on prompt 1. A 10-line CLAUDE.md at your project root, stack, pnpm, fastify, vitest. Don't touch /legacy. Use these commands. Claude reads it on session start before it does anything else. Now it opens with pnpm add at fastify/rate -limit on the very first try. 4 corrections per session. Now 0. First try correct. 2. 2. User Claude.md. Monday. Claude uses 4 spaces in your web project. You correct it. Tuesday. A new repo. Claude writes a sloppy commit message. You correct it. Same lesson. 3 projects, 3 days. ~/Claude/Claude.md. Your personal style file applied to every project automatically. 2 space indents, single quotes, named exports, conventional commits, 4 lines that travel with you everywhere. 12 minutes per project gone. Your taste captured once. 3 monorepos. 3 hierarchical Claude.md. Monorepo, apps/web uses vitest, apps/API uses jest. Your root Claude.md can't say both. Now, whatever it says, Claude gets it wrong half the time. Add a Claude.md inside apps/API, 6 lines. This package uses jest. Claude Code reads top-down, root rules first, then the local override. Edit a file in apps/web, you get vitest. Edit one in apps/API, you get jest, same prompt. Different rules, no manual switching. 8. Wrong framework rewrites a week. Now 0. Local memory for local rules. 4. Imports. 4. The @ import. Your Claude.md grew to 800 lines. Style guide, testing, deploy notes, security, history. Every session loads 12,000 tokens of context, and most of it is irrelevant to whatever you're touching right now. Split it. Convention/style.md, convention/testing.md, convention/security.md. Then in your root, Claude.md at sign./convention/style.md. 3 imports, 8 lines of root. Same rules, fraction of the bill. 12,000 context tokens to 3,400, 3.6 times lighter. 5. The trick. 5. The hash shortcut, the one that finally makes corrections stick. Tuesday, you teach Claude that SQL columns are snake case. Even though TypeScript is camelCase, it says got it. It fixes the migration. You move on. Wednesday, new session, same project. Claude writes order ID camelCase again. The lesson is gone. You retype the correction forever. Type any line in Claude Code starting with a hash. It gets appended to your Claude.md automatically. Hash, we use snake case for SQL columns. Done. The next session, Claude opens by acknowledging the rule. The lesson lives past the session boundary. No editor, no file open, no context switch. Teach once. Remember forever. 23 recorrections a month gone. Lessons learned, lessons kept. 5 tricks. 1 Claude.md. Ranked by repetition killed. 5. @ imports. 4. Hierarchical. 3. User Claude. CLAUDE.md. 2. Project CLAUDE.md. 1. The hash shortcut. All 5 live in plain markdown files Claude already reads. Full config and copy-paste templates in the description. Steal them. Skills, MCP, subagents, hooks, memory. That's the quintet. Next, plan mode. The Claude Code feature that stops it from breaking your code. Subscribe so you don't miss it.